In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Smartlead campaign. We'll walk through creating a new email campaign, importing your leads, and getting oriented to the key tabs so you're ready to run outreach with confidence. Start by opening Smartlead and heading to the email campaigns area on the left sidebar. This is your hub for everything related to outreach. Click Create Campaign to spin up a new one. You'll see a field to name your campaign. Give it a clear, descriptive title, something that quickly tells you the audience or offer, then continue. A good name saves time later when you're managing multiple campaigns. Next, it's time to add your leads. Choose Add Leads and you'll get the upload window. You can click to browse or simply drag and drop your file. Most teams use a CSV exported from a CRM or spreadsheet. Before you upload, it helps to make sure columns like email, first name, and company are clean and consistently formatted. Tidy data means smoother personalization and fewer bounces. Select your file, click Open, then Continue. Smartlead will process the file. When you're ready, click Import Leads to finalize the upload and then Done. You'll land back in the campaign with your contacts now attached and ready for sequencing. With leads in place, open the Sequence tab. This is where the campaign's messaging flow lives and where you'll see the structure of your outreach. Get familiar with the layout so you know where each part of the sequence appears. Move to email accounts to view the sending mailboxes associated with this campaign. This page helps you confirm which addresses are available for sending and how messages will be distributed across them, which is especially useful if you rotate multiple inboxes for deliverability. Head into subsequences to see how follow-ups can be organized under the main sequence. This area keeps multi-touch outreach tidy and easy to navigate, letting you understand how different branches of your messaging fit together. Finally, go to Settings. Here you'll find campaign-level options that govern how the campaign behaves. Even if you're not changing anything right now, opening this page is a good habit so you're aware of the defaults in effect for timing, tracking, and other guardrails. When you're done reviewing, click Save Changes to lock everything in. That's it, you've created a Smart Lead campaign, uploaded leads, and toured the key tabs you'll use most often.